straight away and set me free. Remove me out of bondage, and now we must all agree. Too long I've been inside, I want to be no more. And I'd rather to be in my grave than to be locked behind the door. And I want to help myself be an independent man. And I don't want no one to give me an electric man. So whether you're black, said I don't give a damn. I just wanna be alright. I will always well, listen. You say you love me, baby, and we should be together, but you just drive me crazy. Now that we are together, you say you love me, baby, and we should be together, but you just drive me crazy. And now that we are together, I can't wait till the oh no, I can't wait till the evening start. You call me on the oh no, and tell me cause you're not alone. No, 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 no. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again. And this I know. Yes, yes, yes. You can call on me, I'll be there as you. To give it all you got. Don't cry, cause it's over now. No time, things are better now. I will give you everything you need. You can good one, cause I'm a wicked, a wicked Sanchez. Boom! Talk to you, but it's not the same. My baby has a touching you. Oh, and every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. BRT girls, we've been. Oh yes. And it won't be long. It seems like BRT ladies, and it's hard on my, and the baby goes I'm missing you now. And I can't wait till I'm alone with you. I stopped sitting close to your apartment. You said you're not around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard not to come in through your door. And now, sometime late at night you still call me. Before you close your eyes to sleep. Well, I made a vow that I would drop by you sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. Oh, I hear that you not proud of a man, but try and understand. Hey, I'm a don't smoke the chronic to bother no one. Oh, no. All good to man. Hey, Babylon, I hear that you not proud of a man, but try and understand. Hey, I'm a don't smoke the chronic to bother no one. Oh, no. I'm a don't smoke the chronic to not bother. I'm a smoke the chronic just to meditate. Alright. So in all my doings, my rewards will be great. So why won't you leave righteous children alone? Can't you see that we're protected by the Father on His road? He'll never allow you to trample us down. The way the sheep of His pastors. Oh, yeah. Watch it. BRT, are you ready? Yeah. You good? The next time. Hold up your heads, BRT. Why? Hey, yeah. Listen. Parents, some that you may not like, you could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your hands, my brothers, be conscious, my sisters. In all your works you shall surely be paid. I never tried to slow down with it. The one who's got the one who sits high and it looks down low. I think you ever just the man with it. The one who's got the title, and it'll be someone that he don't. Listen. Yes, I have wasted my time. Man, BRT, love to see the crowded party. Nice, and all the ladies. Nice like that. Watch out. To the Father, those who make me strong. He put the look to see the girls them like that, me I tell you. And the man them go hold tight to see. To the Father, cause He made me strong. He put the food on my table, dancing in my heart a song. Oh, Jah, I love you so. Mighty Jah, I need you so. So sing aloud, hallelujah. Praise His name, hallelujah. Highest praise, hallelujah. Night and day, hallelujah. Hey, praises for Jah, both young and old. It's better than silver and gold. Silver and gold will vanish away, but the love of my Father is here to stay. Woe be unto the shepherd that lead the sheep astray. On that day they all shall pay. I'm not afraid to praise Him. to sing. Open my heart and let him come in. Yes, I'm not afraid to praise him. Yeah, you know. Don't care what the sipping on. We're just chilling. I want. Listen. Me and my. Don't care what the sipping on. On the NZ, smoking senses, sipping on some Hennessy. Living up, living up. We're living up, living up. Surrounded by fine ladies, dainty babies, rocking and chanting to songs of all ages. Living up, living up. We're living up, living up. We say to what you need, what you need. On the NT, smoking sexy, sipping on some Hennessy. Living up, living up. Living up, living up. Listen to Honey, honey, here if you're lovely and easy if you're not in my category. Rolling my trunk, buckle up, run some love, asking me what's up. Living up. We're living up, living up. And so we roll along to our knees, about to ride. She and her friend, then step inside. Living up, living up. We're living up, living up. Listen to and if you're not in my category, guys, we know why. Woo! Too sweet, not chichi man on it. I said that, listen. Won't you dance if I ask you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me smiling? Would you save my soul tonight? Listen, won't you tremble if I touch your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Would you die for the one you love? Would be in your arms tonight? Sing the BRT. I wanna be. To really say, no, I want to tell you, so wherever I roam, always remember the man up above. I ain't set up a thing to iron. I ain't keep my eye until this minute. Alright, no massive, but we don't know that one that just help this me now. It goes something like so. I love you for your mercy. so we have lost one of the wickedest singing in reggae music. And it hurt me to the core. Alright now, massive, I just want to endorse something that the group did. Run it! The river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy of His lovely face. Oh yeah. Trees singing, birds singing, by sunrise on the way, waiting. BRT, I love it. The vibe's nice. Alright, I don't know you got. Thank you for having Sanchez at the time, you see it. One more time for them and see it. Straight and on. Honor. So clear that one and on with it. Oh yeah. Da 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 da. Said I will be true to you. It's not only a feeling, it's an inborn concept. Oh, how I love this feeling for you. It is the real thing, I can almost taste it. When I rise early in the morning and I look in the mirror, reflections of your with tears in my eyes as I give thanks to the Father for beholding such wonderful treasure. Pull up again. That's it, I can't come class. Yeah. All right. We got something like so much. Amazing grace shall always be my song of praise. For it was grace that bought my liberty. I never know just why Christ came to love me so. He looked beyond my thoughts and saw my need, and I shall lift mine hands to Calvary. view the cross where my Jesus died for me. Oh, how marvelous the grace that caught my father's soul. He looked beyond my faults and saw my need. Love you, BRT. It was a pleasure.
Make some noise for Sanchez! You have to make more noise than that. Make some noise for Sanchez!